A really fast way to protect your steering wheel when you're on the go, especially if you're maybe taking your car into storage or a service area, is a steering wheel cover. And you don't see these a lot at our shows because we don't have a great way to display them, but these are a fabric with an elastic band in them, and they allow you to quickly cover your steering wheel. So if you have a custom painted wheel that we've done for you, this is a great way to get that extra layer of protection when you're not the one handling your stuff. So we do make this in a full face cover, as you can see, where it covers the center as well. And then we also have a open face steering wheel cover that just wraps around the outside and has an elastic band here as well as the backside. Check these out on our website if this is something that maybe will help you to protect your products.